Oh my God, the 401k is officially dead. Yes, I read the obituary in the newspaper. Mark the day, the 401k is officially dead. You know, once upon a time, the key to a healthy retirement balance was to contribute to a 401k. Hold tight through the market crashes and the bubbles and the wars and all of the ups and downs in the markets, and hold on tight, because eventually, you'd be able to retire with this 401k stash of money. But my friends, this is no longer the way to build wealth. Your parents or your grandparents may have been able to simply set it and forget it with traditional retirement accounts that invested 60-40, like a 60% mix of stocks and bonds, and they're fine. Deploy that strategy today, and guess what? You can expect nominal returns. Everything has changed in the economy. Rates, inflation, home buying, and more. So why are we expecting that old investing strategies are going to work? A 60-40 approach to investing just isn't going to cut it anymore. It can't keep up with this environment of inflation. Historically, bonds have served as a buffer in many investors' portfolios. When stocks inevitably tank, they move to bonds. But due to high interest rates and inflation, there's no longer much value investing in bonds either. Especially in a post-pandemic world, the game has changed. The 401k plan is officially dead. Put a marker on that tombstone. As a wealth-building vehicle, it's done. Even the Wall Street Journal is running headlines like this. This is the Wall Street Journal. Your 401k is falling behind. And your set it and forget it 401k made you rich? No more. The 401k is no longer a feasible way to grow your net worth, fund your retirement, or even build wealth for that matter. In fact, the long-trusted 60-40 strategy had its worst performance in decades. And the average 401k balance is just over $100,000 according to Vanguard. $100,000? How in the world are you going to retire and live off that for the rest of your life? The answer is you will not. It's impossible, unless you plan on moving into a homeless shelter. So if you've been working to build a nest egg in the traditional way, you've got to start educating yourself about other strategies out there. It's time for Americans to unlearn these outdated ideals about retirement. Traditional investing does not lead to financial freedom. The only thing to do in this scenario is to take charge of your retirement, build wealth on your own terms, because a well-established portfolio must contain a wider diversification of assets, particularly inflation-protected assets. How can you protect or hedge against inflation? So if you haven't yet entertained the idea of buying real estate through a self-directed IRA, there has never been a better time. A self-directed IRA puts you in the driver's seat of your retirement. You get to call the shots. You get to pick the assets you're investing in. You can choose your investments, not Wall Street. You get to call the shots, choose your investments, make your decisions, not some random brokerage firm employee who may not have your best interest in mind, some 20-year-old brokerage employee. I mean, nothing against 20-year-olds, but chances are they're not investing in these things they're telling you to invest in, and then they're making money off of those transactions. It doesn't actually work to help you at all, it helps them. So the cash flow that's produced from your real estate properties is deposited directly into your self-directed IRA account, not into some brokerage account on Wall Street. This means money is funneled into your retirement account each month, untouched by the ups and downs of the economy. Protection from inflation is important in this economy, and that's exactly what the self-directed IRA delivers. So if you're interested in learning more about how a self-directed IRA can actually help you reach your financial goals, our team of experts on my team can get you started on the right foot. We can answer your questions. We can help you get the right account set up in as little as 10 minutes. Yes, people who work with us are shocked that we can set up their self-directed account in 10 minutes and walk you through the process of buying rental real estate in your account. All you have to do is schedule a free 30-minute phone call with our team. Just go to our website, go to morrisinvest.com, click on the book a call button, a little calendar will pop up, and you pick the time that works best for you, and then we'll call you at that time. No matter how you choose to build wealth or set up your retirement plan, the most important thing is that you're well educated about what's actually happening in these accounts. If you're interested in learning more about self-directed IRAs and how they work, how they function, be sure to check out this playlist. You can watch it right now and learn more. And we'll see you next time, everyone.